Okay, so we put in those aminos. Now we're gonna throw some curry up in there. See, because the Fierce Truth Seeker likes that Caribbean, that little Caribbean spice touch, because the Fierce Truth Seeker is half Caribbean, so you know how that goes. And I'm gonna throw some thyme up in there. Excuse me. And I'm gonna throw some of this smoked ghost chilies up in there. All right. Hold on. Yeah, just a little bit, just a dash. You know, that's probably about a teaspoon full. You know, and that's it. Now we're gonna start blending. All right, we'll be back.